In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download Firefox on your Windows 8 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome since I already have it installed. And into Google, you want to just type in Mozilla Firefox, and you want to search that up. One of the best matches should come back with a Mozilla domain. This is Download Firefox Free Web Browser. You want to left click on that one time. Select the download now button on this page. It should begin the download process automatically, and once the executable is finished downloading, I'm just going to left click on it one time to open. If you receive an open file notification, left click on run. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Now it'll begin the process of installing, so this will take a couple moments, so just be patient. And then once that's done, you should have Firefox installed on your computer. So pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.